In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use ChatGPT in Excel 2026 Full Guide. Managing massive datasets and assembling reliable financial or operational sheets can feel overwhelming, especially when formulas, macros, and formatting standards collide. In 2026, ChatGPT works like a data analytics copilot, helping you plan, structure, streamline calculations, and document everything with clarity. Open your workbook and let's walk through a practical workflow that turns confusion into a clear, repeatable process. Start by building a hyper-personalized dynamic itinerary for your workbook. Skip vague requests and give ChatGPT your real context: the data you capture, the columns you can support, the outputs you need, and any milestones that matter. Ask it to act as an elite data architect and produce a structural roadmap for an inventory and analysis pipeline. Tell it you care about automated data transformation, relational lookups, and dynamic dashboards, and that you want data type recommendations for every core column. Request a neat markdown table so it's easy to copy into documentation or planning notes. This turns a sheet into a system. Next, optimize complex logistics and route planning before you touch heavy formulas or VBA. Ask ChatGPT to explain the most efficient calculation flow for thousands of dynamic rows with strict alignment across index matches, array parameters, and error handling. Request exact syntax structures, contextual script examples, and guidance on distributing calculation weight. Have it include advice on maintaining a clean variable continuity sheet so names, ranges, and flags remain stable as your model scales. Then uncover hidden local gems and avoid tourist trap formulas that slow everything down. Instead of defaulting to basic lookups, prompt ChatGPT for 5 high-yield modern array functions, clever lambda combinations, or niche conditional frameworks that top data modelers use. Ask what makes each technique unique and how to weave it into your workflow to avoid shallow, repetitive calculation paths. You'll get faster refreshes and more resilient logic. After that, generate an all-inclusive packing checklist and pre-trip guide for quality. Have ChatGPT create a categorized checklist across data integrity and validation, formula anchoring and scalability, error trapping, and visual hierarchy. Include a short pre-deployment alert list highlighting circular reference traps, macro security boundaries, and layout pitfalls. This prevents last-minute surprises. Finally, architect a complete budget and expense estimator for performance, a realistic audit of your workbook's efficiency and stability. Ask ChatGPT to assess formula clarity, computational load, and structural consistency. Outline common macro-heavy weaknesses. Propose 3 ways to elevate automation without breaking cross-compatibility, and present it all as a clean review dashboard. Handing off calculation plumbing, column mapping, and performance diagnostics to ChatGPT lets you focus on delivering sharp, high-impact insights. That's all for today. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next